Now let's see. Today we have to see the boards and streams. We know that the lots of questions are there on the boards and streams. So this is a very important topic. So we have to see the concepts and the formulae in the boards and streams. So let's see. If I say the bike is going in this direction with the speed of 50 km per hour, and also the wind starts blowing in the same direction with the speed of 10 km per hour. The bike is going in this direction, and also wind starts blowing in the same direction as of the bike with the speed of the 10 km per hour. Then it is called as the speed downstream, and is nothing but the addition of these two speeds. As we know, as wind is also flowing in the same direction in which the bike was going, that's why the wind is pushing that bike. That's why the total resultant speed will become 50 plus 10, so it will become the 60. It is called as the downstream speed. Okay. Now if the bike is going in this direction with the speed of the 50 km per hour and wind starts blowing in the opposite direction in which the bike was going on with the speed of the 10 km per hour, then the resultant speed is called as the upstream speed, and it is nothing but 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 km per hour. Now let's see. If the bike is going in the direction and wind starts blowing in the opposite direction in which the bike was going on, so the resultant speed will become 50 minus 10, as the wind is resisting that speed of the bike. That's why it will become the 40 km per hour. It is called the upstream, it is called the downstream. So in the downstream we come to know, in the downstream we have to make the addition. In the upstream we have to make the subtraction. That's it. In the boards and streams, the questions are either the two questions can be asked in the boards and streams, which is either you have to find out the speed of boat in still water, means when the water is not moving, the speed of the boat we have to find out. And the second which we have to find out is the speed of water itself, or the speed of water also can be called as rate of stream. Means in some question they will ask you to calculate the speed of water, in some they will ask you the rate of stream, or also they can ask you to find the velocity of the water. So the third terms are similar to each other. So these three terms are same: speed of water, rate of stream, and velocity of water. Now let's see. The water is flowing in this direction and the boat is also going in this direction. Then we know that if the same directions are there, then what? If the same direction are there, then the speed is called as the downstream speed. So it is called as the downstream speed is nothing but is equal to x plus y. Means speed of the boat in the still water plus y is nothing but speed of the water. And if the water is flowing in this direction and boat is going in this direction, then it is called as speed, upstream speed, and it is x minus y, as we have seen in the bike and the wind example. In the downstream we have to make the addition of the two speeds, and in the upstream we have to make the subtraction of the two speeds. So this is all. Now I can call this as equation number 1, and I can call this equation as equation number 2. Now we just have to make the addition of these two equations and the subtraction of these two equations in order to get the values of the x and y respectively. Now let's see. If I make the equation 1 and 2 the addition here, then downstream speed is equal to x plus y and the upstream speed is equal to x minus y. We have to make the addition here, and here I can subtract these two equations. So SD is equal to x plus y and SU is equal to x minus y. Subtraction. While making the addition, SD plus SU, and here x plus x, 2x, plus y minus y gets cancelled. Here SD minus SU is equal to, this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, this plus will become minus. That's why SD minus SU, and here plus x minus x will get cancelled. Plus y will become the 2y. So now from this I can write here it as x is equal to, this 2 will go here, that's why 1 by 2, and SD plus SU, and here y is equal to, this 2 will go here, and 1 by 2 of SD minus SU. So we got the values of the x and y. This is how the values of the x and y comes. X means the speed of boat in still water. If they ask you to calculate the speed of the boat in the still water, then you have to use this formula. X is equal to 1 upon 2 of SD plus HU. If they ask you to calculate the speed of water or rate of stream or velocity of water, then you have to use this formula. Y is equal to 1 upon 2 of SD minus SU. SU is nothing but upstream speed and SD is nothing but downstream speed. Downstream speed means water and boat is going in the same direction, and upstream speed means water is going in the one direction and boat is going in the opposite direction of which the water is going on. So this is all about the concepts and the formulas in the boat and streams. You just have to study it, how these two formulas came, we have seen it. So depend on only these two equations we have to work. So these are the two equations are very important. You can put it down on the paper as x is equal to x means the speed of the boat in the still water is equal to 1 upon 2 of SD plus SU, and y is equal to y means the velocity of the water, rate of stream is equal to 1 upon 2 of SD minus SU.